Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into creation of website with the help of Copilot, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. To create a website in a Bitrix24 with the help of Copilot, begin by navigation to the site and store sections. Have you will find the options to create a new website. Once you click on create, you will see the Copilot feature available. Simply click on the Copilot icon and enter your command or prompt. Copilot will then generate website content for you based on the information you provide. As you can see, Copilot assists in creating a well-structured and visually appearing website, saving time and effort while delivering professional results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.